Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your photos on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select a picture that you want to edit either by tapping on the plus icon and selecting a picture from your gallery, or you can also choose from these options in the My Projects section. So slide to the right side of the screen in this section down below and click on the Filters button, and here you can find a bunch of filters that you can apply to your pictures. So just simply click on the relevant one that suits your preferences, and after that, if you are done with selecting the right one, click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you can save it by tapping on the same save icon at the top. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.